What affiliate marketing is and how it works. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates third-party publishers to generate traffic or leads to the company's products and services. The third-party publishers are referred to as affiliates, and the commission fee incentivizes them to find ways to promote the company's product. The affiliate does this by sharing a unique link on a blog, social media platforms, or website. The affiliate earns a commission each time someone makes a purchase through the unique link associated with their recommendation. Commission rates vary dramatically, depending on the company and the offer. On the low end, you'll earn about 5% of the sale, but, with some arrangements, you can earn as much as 50%, usually when promoting a class or event. There are also affiliate marketing programs that provide a flat rate per sale instead of a percentage. For now, you simply need to know the basics of how affiliate marketing works, which can be summarized as: you recommend a product or service to your followers through your website, blog, or email list. Your followers purchase the product or service using your affiliate link and you get paid a commission for the sales made using your affiliate link. Types of affiliate marketing. There are three main types of affiliate marketing: unattached affiliate marketing, related affiliate marketing, and involved affiliate marketing. Unattached affiliate marketing is a marketing strategy in which the affiliate has no ties to the product or service being promoted. They have no recognized associated talents or knowledge, and they make no claims or serve as an authority on its application. This is affiliate marketing at its most basic level. The affiliate is relieved of the need to recommend or counsel because he or she has no emotional attachment to the potential consumer or product. Related affiliate marketing, as the name implies, entails an affiliate promoting a product or service that he has some sort of connection to. In most cases, the affiliate's specialization and the product or service are linked. The affiliate has enough clout and knowledge to drive traffic, and their authority establishes them as a reliable source. The affiliate, on the other hand, makes no representations about the product or service's use. Involved affiliate marketing develops, on the other hand, has a stronger bond between the affiliate and the product or service they are advertising. They have used or are using the product and are certain that others will benefit from their pleasant experiences. Their experiences act as ads and as reliable sources of knowledge. On the other hand, because they're making suggestions, any issues that arise from the service may jeopardize their reputation. The benefits and drawbacks of affiliate marketing can pay off handsomely for both the advertiser and the affiliate marketer. The corporation benefits from low-cost advertising of its affiliates' creative marketing efforts, while the affiliate gains additional cash and incentives. Affiliate marketing has a high return on investment because the corporation only pays for traffic that results in sales. The affiliate is responsible for any advertising costs. An affiliate marketing program's parameters are set by the advertising company. In the past, companies used to pay for banner ads based on the cost per click, traffic, or cost per mile, impressions. However, with the advancement of technology, the emphasis shifted to commissions on actual sales or qualified leads. Because clicks and impressions may both be generated by software, early affiliate marketing schemes were open to fraud. Most affiliate networks now have stringent rules about how to create leads. There are also other ways that are prohibited, such as installing adware or malware that redirects all product search inquiries to an affiliate's page. Before an affiliate link may be verified, several affiliate marketing programs specify how a product or service should be discussed in the content. As a result, a successful affiliate marketing campaign necessitates considerable planning. Particularly if the contract arrangement pays for traffic rather than sales, the terms and restrictions must be strict. In affiliate marketing, there is the possibility of fraud. Unscrupulous affiliates can squat on misspelled domain names and profit from the redirection. They can use fraudulent or stolen information to fill out online registration forms, buy AdWords on search phrases where the company already performs well, and so on. Even if the terms and conditions are explicit, an affiliate marketing scheme necessitates the supervision and enforcement conditions and terms. However, company can access motivated, creative people, to help sell their products or services to the world by creating their in-house affiliate program. The advantages of affiliate marketing are as follows. 1. Access to a larger market. 2. More accurate tracking of qualified leads. 3. Advertising is at a low cost. While there are some drawbacks, such as fraud vulnerability, less creative autonomy and a higher risk of theft, it's time to start monetizing your website with affiliate marketing now that you have a website and have joined an affiliate network. Let's get this party started. Step 1. Create affiliate revenue generating content. Most newbies who want to make money with affiliate marketing simply write some random content and include affiliate links within it. That method might or might not work, but if you actually want to increase your affiliate revenue, you must ensure that the information you produce reaches your target audience. Your target market is someone who wants to buy a product but isn't sure if it's worth the money. The user may not even know which product to purchase to meet their requirements. It's your responsibility as an affiliate marketer to provide high-quality content to assist visitors find the correct product for their needs, guide them to a purchasing decision, and then direct them to the product website to complete the transaction. That implies your content should focus on investigative intent keywords, which are the terms your target audience searches on Google to learn more about the product they want before purchasing it. Step 2. Promote your affiliate products in the content you've decided on the type of content you'll create, investigative. You're looking for subjects that revolve around your target audience's hunt for a solution to their problem? It's time to start incorporating affiliate links into your content when you've completed your keyword research and come up with some content ideas. The method you use to put your affiliate links will vary depending on the post you're authoring. If you're writing a product review, it wouldn't make sense to include affiliate links for all of the products. If you're promoting the top 10 video editing softwares, on the other hand, you'll want to include many affiliate links to boost your chances of making more sales. The goal is to place your links in the most advantageous locations imaginable. Step 3. Convert your visitors into affiliate clients. One of the most common blunders new affiliate marketers make is assuming that if they want to raise their profit, they must increase their traffic. Let's imagine you're pushing a product on your site that pays you $100 in affiliate commission for every sale you make. Assume your affiliate conversion rate is 1%, which means that out of every 100 people you direct to that website, 1 purchases the product. That means the CPC, cost per click, you earn is $1 per click. CPC equals total affiliate revenue / total traffic you sent. What if you could send 5 times as many people to the affiliate product website? You might potentially more than double the affiliate money based on the CPC value. And the best thing is that you won't have to raise your website's traffic. Instead, you may simply launch a revenue-boosting conversion optimization campaign. You can enhance your earnings by turning more of your existing traffic into affiliate clients with conversion optimization software. This is unquestionably easier than substantially expanding your traffic. Step 4. Increase your revenue by optimizing your existing traffic. Consider this, the majority of your affiliate marketing revenue will come from repeat visitors to your website or social media account. Determine which content converts the best and make it a top focus for affiliate campaigns. Once you've determined that a certain post or video is engaging with your audience, you can use conversion optimization software to design a focused campaign to boost affiliate sales. This is a far better strategy than creating campaigns for every page on your website. What's the best way to get started? Go to your Google Analytics dashboard and find the articles with the most traffic, then create targeted advertisements for those URLs. Instead of having all that great data go to waste each month, you can have it delivered directly to your WordPress dashboard. This includes a look at the most popular articles on your site. You can tweak your content and conversion tactics to produce more affiliate revenue once you've recognized which posts get the most traffic. This method will ensure that your most profitable content is constantly prioritized. As a result, you'll be able to save time and improve money as quickly as feasible. Step 5. Use your email list to increase affiliate revenue. Email marketing is still the finest way to create passive revenue, no matter how you look at it. All of the other options are ineffective in some way. SEO works well until Google updates its algorithm, at which point your ranks plummet. If you have the budget to fail your way up, paid marketing can produce immediate results. Even then, paid ads necessitate continual monitoring to maintain good conversion rates. Your email list, on the other hand, is always available traffic. It also has a large number of people that are interested in your subject and have already interacted with your content. That means you can be confident they're interested in your subject and will be a good fit for your affiliate marketing campaigns. The only issue with email marketing is that most business owners struggle to develop their contact lists to the point where they can be monetized.